Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Royal add-ons for Elementor, step by step. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and install the Royal add-ons plugin. It's crucial to have Elementor already active on your site before you activate Royal add-ons. Once installed, head over to the Royal add-ons settings. Here, you can easily enable or disable specific widgets based on your project's needs, optimizing performance and keeping your site lean. Now, let's dive into using the widgets. Open any page or post with Elementor. You'll find the new Royal add-ons widgets readily available in the Elementor editor panel. Simply drag and drop your chosen widget onto your page. Each widget comes with extensive customization options, allowing you to adjust content, style, and advanced settings to perfectly match your website's aesthetic and functionality requirements. Experiment with different widgets to see their full potential. To truly elevate your designs, explore the advanced customization features. Royal add-ons often includes global settings that help maintain design consistency across your entire website, saving you valuable time. For even more precise control, you can apply custom CSS directly within Elementor's Advanced tab for any widget or section. Don't forget to utilize the template library, which offers pre-designed sections and pages, accelerating your workflow significantly and providing professional starting points. Optimizing your site's performance is key. Remember to deactivate any Royal add-ons widgets you aren't actively using. This simple step can significantly improve your website's loading speed and overall efficiency. Also, make sure to regularly update Royal add-ons to benefit from the latest features, bug fixes, and security enhancements. For more great content and exclusive deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video. Happy building!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.